Ask Me About is a service that allows students at the University of Manchester to connect with a mentor for short-term careers advice. Here's how to register on the Manchester Network. First go to www.network.manchester.ac.uk. If you're an alumnus of the University of Manchester, click Create an Account in the Alumni and Supporters login box. Please note, it may take a few days for your account to be authenticated. Alternatively, if you're a staff or a current student, please use the Student and Staff login box on the right-hand side and log in using your regular university username and password. Once you're signed in, the next step is to set up your profile. You can use the LinkedIn Sync button if you wish, or you can complete your profile manually using the edit buttons. Try and fill out as much as possible. To find a mentor, click on the Mentoring tab on the top toolbar and click on Search. Type in the name of an industry or company that you'd like to find a mentor from, and have a look through the profiles to find someone that might be right for you. You can use the left-hand filter options to narrow down your choice of mentor. For example, you can filter your search to find a mentor particularly willing to support students that might have some additional questions relating to their particular background. As you can see here, this particular mentor is happy to receive more specialised questions from students that are the first in their family to go to university. Once you have found a potential mentor, take a look through the mentor's personal page, reading through their bio and professional experience. If their experience is relevant to you, have a look on their mentor page to see what they would be happy to help you with. You'll be able to get an idea of the sorts of questions a mentor will be able to help with by looking at their profile. You might want to ask for advice with the following: reviewing a CV, reviewing a job application, work shadowing, work experience, internships, jobs, and assistance with a degree project. The sort of mentor you would like to ask for advice is up to you. When you've decided on a mentor, click on Send Request in the Ask Me About program section of the mentor page to start to send a message. Select which mentor service you would like and indicate any of the topics that are particularly interesting to you. Leave a message outlining the sort of advice that you would like, but don't forget to keep it professional. Mentors are volunteering their time, so ensure that your message is written as a polite and professional correspondence. Make sure that your message is detailed and concise so that your mentor can clearly understand the sort of advice that you are looking for. We advise that it can take a couple of weeks to hear back from your mentor. Their response will be delivered to your inbox on the Manchester Network, so make sure to check it periodically. Some mentors may be too busy to get back to you. Don't worry. Feel free to send a request to another mentor. There is no limit to the number of requests you can send through Ask Me About, so don't hesitate to send multiple at a time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email the mentoring team at mentoring@manchester.ac.uk.